How you doing? My name is Todrick Thomas, and today we're going to be discussing Doohickeys case problem. And this is for our class, Human Resources Management. We're going to start off by answering some of the questions, such as why the problem is critical for Doohickeys you need Inc. to address. Some of the solutions are: the company Doohickeys You Need Inc. has never employed a human resources expert, but due to the pressing HR concerns, the company took a gamble on employing you to resolve its HR problems. In simple form, it would be they needed HR to resolve some of the company problems. A human resource department is also in charge of keeping employees safe, healthy, and satisfied. With proper HR management, workplace policies keep up with these necessary protection measures and implementations and provide solutions to issues between team members and avoiding risks for the company and its employees. So HR's basically manage workplace policies. They keep up with necessary protection measures and implementing, and providing solutions to issues between team members, avoiding risks for companies, and for the long term is employees. All right. How the problem affects the company. It is clear that companies that lack an HR risk employee turnover and loss of morale. Literature for cases like harassment, discrimination, and workplace injury, and fines and non-compliance of policies and laws of critical entities. You gotta follow those company policies right there in order to be able to have a workplace function, so you won't have all the discrimination, harassment, and injuries. HR handle all of those problems right there and take care of that. The importance of HR and how the problems can affect the company right there. All right, now we're going on to the 4 solutions along with the pros and cons, strengths and weaknesses of each solution. The potential challenges you may face as you try to implement change and how to overcome these challenges. You take action. Taking action is very important. It gets results. Not taking action causes problems and delay. Communication is very, very, very important. Eliminate inefficiency and gives the employees the information they need to accomplish their jobs. Information is what they need. Information is knowledge. Information is how they accomplish their jobs. Simple as that. And then you get everybody on board. You got to make sure everybody is on board in a workplace. You can help improve employee satisfaction and eliminate employee turnover. Make sure everybody on board is also related to communication and also information. Make sure everybody on board. Make sure everybody can do their job. Making sure everybody is confident in the areas of their craft. Reestablish a sense of security. This is very, very critical. You can build confidence in the company and eliminate common problems. Very, very important that everybody is confident in their craft. Very, very important. Have enough information to make an educated and informed decision on how to proceed with the changes. All right. So this is what it all boils down to. Fear-based leadership. This type of leader motivates through fear, not reward. They may have a do as I say, not as I do approach to heavy-handed rules. And this is how you get things done. You know, is straightforward. You know, getting things done is not straight back. So it provides, you know, heavy or responsibility, taking care of your responsibility. No recognition of excellence. You don't need that. Because leadership uses fear to motivate employees. Fear is one of those things to where, you know, a lot of people can't do what you do. And in order to motivate them, you have to, perform at a level to where people can know. And they don't reward or recognize excellent work. After a while, they don't get excellent work out of their employees. Gossip, rumors, and speculation. These are all the things that you need to have change, to motivate change. This is often because information is heavily filtered and there's a lack of transparency from managers. Employee expectations are never defined. Got to get those expectations done, and get rid of the transparency. Unhealthy competition. Competition is good as motivator unless managers use it to pit employees against each other in negative ways. This leads to fighting, drama, and anger. Got to get rid of the drama, the anger, and the fighting. Competition, you got to make sure all of those things are resolved. People know what they're supposed to do. And there's no room for unhealthiness inside of workplaces. So got to get things straight. Gotta have a plan, gotta have goals, and gotta be dedicated. Favoritism. A natural outflow of unhealthy competition is favoritism in hours, wages, benefits, and all. Alright, the key word is discrimination. Alright, eliminate discrimination inside of workplaces is very important to change. Alright, my name is Todrick Thomas, and again, for our human resource management class, and hope you enjoy it. Alright.